Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Bose smart home speaker connections with Bose app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Bose smart home speaker connections using the Bose app, start by ensuring your speaker is powered on. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Bose speaker. Next, open the Bose Music app on your smartphone. If you haven't already logged in, enter your account credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the device icon at the top of the screen. Select your Bose smart home speaker from the list of available devices. If your speaker appears offline, try refreshing the connection using the refresh icon. To troubleshoot, check the Wi-Fi connection settings on your speaker. If necessary, press and hold the Bluetooth button on your speaker until the Wi-Fi light blinks. This action puts your speaker into setup mode, allowing it to connect to the app. After that, return to the Bose Music app and follow the on-screen setup instructions. You may need to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if prompted. Once connected, your app should show that the speaker is online. You can now customize settings or add more music services through the app. If your speaker still won't connect, restart both the speaker and your smartphone. After restarting, repeat the steps to reconnect your speaker. Your Bose smart home speaker should now be restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.